I'm sick today. Can you hear that? I'm sick today. Surprise, surprise, I'm sick today. So we're gonna take advantage of my gross sickness and we're gonna do a transformation video because there's something so satisfying about having this full transformation from something hideous to something you're gonna wanna kiss and make out with all over the face. Even though I still will sound sick. So, we're doing a 30-minute transformation. I don't know if I'm gonna talk. I don't know what's going to happen, so be prepared. But we're gonna transform this sick, swollen, do you see the swollen nose? Like this sickness into where you are going to not be able to tell that I'm sick. I'm hopefully going to look hot and sexy. So, you should have seen me how I looked this morning. You should be thanking me in the comments for straightening this hair because I had a shower last night, so my hair was very frizzy and disgusting, and I did you guys a favor and I straightened my hair before I started this video. Because man, I would have looked absolutely horrendous. So I hope you guys liked this sick transformation, 30-minute transformation. Subscribe, smash the like, please send me good wishes down below. I've been sick so much and I'm feel so crappy. So enjoy, and yeah, I'm doing this for you. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna talk or not. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna do it. Let's do some eyebrows. 30-minute transformation. Okay, no talking. I'm gonna put my timer on. 30 minutes. Let's go. So this is it. This is my 30-minute sick transformation. Do I look sexy? I know I don't sound sexy. And I definitely don't definitely don't sound sexy at all. But this is the final step, guys, to faking that you're well when you're not. Watch this right here. Watch this right here. Boom. What do you think? I know that when I'm not sick, watching this transformation is going to be very, very, very satisfying. But I hope you guys enjoyed this 30-minute transformation. I'm not kidding you guys. It really was very quick and to the point, and I went full glam for you guys. I hope you really liked it. I'll list down below everything that I used. Give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for all of your comments. Comment below and tell me where you're from. Is it hot there? Is it cold? Is it cold there? Is it humid there? Talk to me down in the comments. It really makes me feel so much better when I hear from you guys. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.